Good afternoon and welcome to another entry in my Bald Scrambler YouTube channel. My name is Daniel and today I am scrambling up Pinnacle Ridge in the Carnegie mountain range in Snowdonia, and you can probably just about make out the ridge behind me over my right hand shoulder. Now this is a delightful, if somewhat short, grade 2 scramble, and if you've never been here before, super easy to locate it. The walk-in is probably no more than half an hour at most. All you need to do is park up at Ogden Cottage or one of the nearby laybys, and opposite Ogden Cottage you will find a bridge with a gate that you step over. Go over the gate. Don't forget to have a look down at the stream which runs underneath the bridge. It's absolutely gorgeous down there. You'll be completely amazed at how beautiful it is down there, considering that all of this flows directly underneath the busy A5 road. So once you've done under there, if you make your way up the well-worn path which runs parallel but rises above the A5, you will soon see two pinnacles on your right hand side, and you can make your way up to these pinnacles via several different lines. Some of the routes up here, there's lots of loose stones and loose heather and all sorts, so do take extra care making your way up. Once you come up, this is what you will find in front of you. You can go up this ramp here, scramble behind this block, come out the front, go in front of the first pinnacle, and then between the two pinnacles you now got a choice: go behind the second pinnacle or go in front of it. It's steeper on the other side and perhaps a little bit easier on the front, and then scramble up to the finish. And if you want, you can carry on up to Pinnacle, or you can come down this gully carefully back to where I am now. This is the first pinnacle. I'm going to go in front of it, so I'll be going in front of it. Nice little scramble to get up here. Then we go to the left, climb up, and you've got a choice, left or right on the top pinnacle. Right, so that's me all done. I'm making my way back down towards Ogden Cottage. I came down the valley just to the side of Pinnacle Ridge, and as you can see, lots of loose stones and grass to make my way over. So that was a very short scramble. For me, I've done this before, so that took me no more than 15 minutes, and that included setting up the drone. So someone who's done this before could do that in 10 minutes quite easily. If it's your first time, obviously allow a little bit of extra time. It is a very, very short scramble. That's really my only complaint. So fun factor, I've still got to give this an 8 out of 10 because that's a really lovely little scramble up there. A couple of sections you really have to pull yourself over, and then there's balancing whilst holding on to the sides of that very steep pinnacle as you saw there. So all good fun, worthy of the grade 2 rating as well. And of course you've got beautiful scenery here in Snowdonia, and we're only a stone's throw away from the A5 road, so a great one to do if you haven't got too much time. Look, I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you have, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. My name is Daniel and my YouTube channel is The Bald Scrambler. Thanks once again for watching.